Because I put him in his crate for a minute.
Why?
Because I was going to take these pills, and then I was going to go get him.
Oh.
After I took these pills.
Well, wait a minute. Let's see. Okay, let's see whose is whose. Who's this? Ashley?
That's from Miss Sue.
Paul, you going to open up some gifts?
Mm-hmm. And let Maddie and them go.
Maddie, do you want to open up yours? You can go ahead and open
Well, I have
yours.
I got my Christmas tree.
I see you got your Christmas tree.
Be careful, Maddie. You don't want to hurt it.
Be very gentle.
Very hard. You need help?
Very hard.
Come here.
These are from Paul and Ashley.
Maddie, go help with your daddy. Open it with your daddy now. Okay, wait a minute.
Just tear it open, David. Just give it.
Give it to Mama. Mama help you. What's Maddie got? This is Maddie. Somebody help her.
Papa help her. That, Maddie.
Dad, will you help her get that out of there?
Yeah.
Wow.
What is that?
What is that, Maddie? Ooh.
Oh, whoa. Hold on.
It's heavy.
Oh, my goodness. This is cool. Hold on.
I have no idea.
If you want to rip this out of the bag, yeah, get it out.
Oh, Maddie.
Oh, how sweet.
A jewelry box for all your new jewelry
Look.
and a mirror.
You can look in the mirror.
When you
Yeah.
change your
So
earrings,
so
is that not
cute.
fashion?
Look, I
Look what I got. I see.
What did you get, David?
Maddie.
Well, that was one of.
Maddie.
Oh,
Maddie.
neat.
Maddie.
Alpha-Pal.
You're
Alpha-Pal.
welcome.
Just here, have that. This is
I know it's not totally fun.
Maddie, come hold up your jewelry box.
But
I
I
want
have
to
a
see.
feeling you
Look
might like
at
that.
it.
Oh, she's
Let me
been
see.
wanting a jewelry box.
That is so sweet.
We can put all your necklaces
Yeah.
pink on it.
I've got batteries for that.
Earrings, right?
Okay, Ashley's got plenty of
Rings.
Mom,
in your nose ring.
got. Daddy.
What is it?
What do you got?
Right here.
What is it, Maddie?
She doesn't want to put her nose rings in here.
I've got any nose rings.
No nose rings? That's good, Maddie.
Silly.
I need help, please.
Mom, Ashley, thank y'all.
You're welcome.
Oh, what are you going to go give Ashley a hug and kiss?
I got some like
I
that.
love them. I thought you might like the jewelry box. Big, look at this.
Where's mine?
Yes.
We're letting Paul and Ashley open their gifts tonight because they're not going to be here on Christmas Eve night. You have one more gift you're going to open for
Whoa.
Mickey, and that's it. Let Ashley open up her present.
Thank you, Ryan. Yeah.
What is it?
It's Milo still crying. It's mine.
Little-
Mine.
Whoa.